start braiding this up. Let's see. I need to be over. Whole time I'm still adding sections of the hair. Pull it out. I'm still holding both pieces of this finished look. The sun is shining through the blinds, so it's looking weird. This is the back. I really hope that was a good shot of the back. Okay, a quick review. I don't know how much time I have left. Quick review. The parts were harder to accomplish on this side. Like, no matter, even with me not really trying to make my parts neat or straight, they were extremely harder to do. Maybe because this is my left side. I'm not used to, I don't know. I'm not used to it. This was my first time in a years giving myself cornrows, like this type of braid. I don't know what people call it these days, but I'm pretty sure these are still considered cornrows. So yeah, I am surprised at this hang time. I'm surprised at the health of my hair, but I'm just proud at the same time. I'm happy. I got some breakage when I was combing it out to detangle, but for me that's normal, and it was nowhere near as much as I would usually have, so I'm not mad at that at all. And my hair, it wasn't like dry, but it was too dry for me to be trying to like comb it through. But last minute I decided to like actually try to make these look like something and not just, you know, just something on top of my head. So yeah, I'm satisfied with these. I'm probably gonna keep these for at least 3 days. Like I said, I'm in the middle of taking a girl's hair out, and I want to do something with all 3 of our fros together because now we all have them. And we all have braids, so it'll be braid outs for all 3 of us. So yeah, that'll be interesting to photograph, document. I greased my scalp as I went along. I'm probably going to follow up with some oil or some more grease. Honestly, I probably, depending on how my scalp feels after my shower. It's about how much I have left of the grease. Looks good. I feel like you can never go wrong with grease, honestly. It's my personal opinion. These lights now, the sun is going down, so it's starting to really mess up. But I'm gonna tie my hair down, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural hair and beauty videos, specifically type for natural hair. Also, leave me a comment. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you haven't already. Do you use grease on your scalp? If not, what do you use? Leave me a comment saying hello, like this video, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to tag me. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and you can type in Pinterest. I'm on Pinterest, so pin this. Alright, thank you so much for watching, beautiful beauties. I really appreciate you, and I love you. Bye.